Welcome everyone to my channel, Andy79Z28. This is a little unboxing video. It's so nice to get things once in a while from people. This was a surprise. This came from PC Bullet Empire, and I have no idea exactly what it is. I haven't opened up the packaging inside. I mean, by the weight, it's got to be bullets. Let's see, where's my little razor? Okay. And we'll see a note. Let's open this one first. Okay. These look like they might be for $3.80. These, let's see, I should get my little scale, see what they are. And let's get this. Okay. Alrighty. These are, let's see what they weigh in at. Powder coated, very nice. 97.4. 96.7. 97. So these look like they're 97 grain bullets for $3.80. I love it. I do shoot $3.80. I recently casted up some product. I bought the 102 grain Lee mold, I believe it is, and they were coming out around 98, 99. So this is very, very nice. Thank you very much, Tim. Thank you very much. Yeah, there's quite a few in here. Thank you so much. That's great. I'm going to be loading shortly. I mean, I have a stack of boxes back here that are all primed, and I got about 1,000 380 set up ready to go. Very nice. Very nice, Tim. Thank you very much. And let's take a look at what's in the other one. Packed nice and tight. Aha! 380 brass. I love it. Tim, this is great. I really appreciate you sending me out some 380 brass. That's one that I don't really have a lot of, and I've been starting to collect more. There's got to be several hundred rounds in here. Tim, thank you so much. Wow. Look at all this. This is great. Thank you. That's a surprise. I definitely didn't expect anything. And then when I got a box, I had no idea what you were going to put in it. Wow. 380 brass. There's got to be several hundred rounds in here. You know, this is great. More work. These look like he decapped them all and maybe tumbled them. Okay, that's great. They all look like they're ready to be sized. If they're not, yeah, they probably need to be sized. But I will go through that anyway, and then tumbled one more time in my cleaner. Tim, this goes out to you. Thank you very much. And after you move, you got to let me know when you have your new address. I do have some 223 bullets for you, both the 57 grain and the 62 grain from the NOE molds. Thank you so much. This is great. You guys are all great out there. I can't believe the things we do for each other. Alrighty. Thank you so much. That's it for this video. It was just a short unboxing. Have a great night.